Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about phonics sound with words. Let's start. A for apple. A for apple. Sound of A is A. Sound of A is A. B for ball. B for ball. Sound of B is B. Sound of B is B. C for cat. C for cat. Sound of C is K. Sound of C is K. D for dog. D for dog. Sound of D is D. Sound of D is D. E for elephant. E for elephant. Sound of E is A. Sound of E is A. F for fish. F for fish. Sound of F is F. Sound of F is F. G for goat. G for goat. Sound of G is G. Sound of G is G. H for hat. H for hat. Sound of H is H. Sound of H is H. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Sound of I is E. Sound of I is E. J for jug. J for jug. Sound of J is J. Sound of J is J. K for kite. K for kite. Sound of K is K. Sound of K is K. L for lion. L for lion. Sound of L is L. Sound of L is L. M for monkey. M for monkey. Sound of M is M. Sound of M is M. N for nurse. N for nurse. Sound of N is N. Sound of N is N. O for owl. O for owl. Sound of O is O. Sound of O is O. P for parrot. P for parrot. Sound of P is P. Sound of P is P. Q for queen. Q for queen. Sound of Q is Q. Sound of Q is Q. R for red. R for red. Sound of R is R. Sound of R is R. S for sun. S for sun. Sound of S is S. Sound of S is S. T for train. T for train. Sound of T is T. Sound of T is T. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Sound of U is A. Sound of U is A. V for van. V for van. Sound of V is V. Sound of V is V. W. W for watch. W for watch. Sound of W is W. Sound of W is W. X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Sound of X is X. Sound of X is X. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Sound of Y is Y. Sound of Y is Y. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. Sound of Z is Z. Sound of Z is Z. That's all. Thank you. If you like this video, subscribe, like, share and comment.